Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by minimizing writes to the device, enable airplane mode, and stop using the Recorder app. Next, check Google Drive and the app's trash folder for backups because many apps autosave. Once done, install a reputable recovery tool and grant only the storage permission it needs. This allows deep scans. You do not need root yet, scanning first preserves options. Make sure battery is above 20% so scans won't abort, and keep the device idle during the process. You run a full scan selecting both internal storage and the SD card if present. This increases chance of recovery. Then apply filters for common audio types like MP3, WAV, and M4A so results are relevant. While the tool scans, check progress and allow extra time for deep sectors, patience improves success. Once files appear, preview each clip to confirm audio integrity because partial files can sound distorted. After confirming, mark desired files for recovery and choose a safe restore location. You restore selected recordings to a new folder or to an external drive. This prevents overwriting remaining recoverable data. After restore, verify playback in your player app. If files are corrupted or incomplete, try a second recovery tool with different algorithms, or consider a professional lab if the recording is critical. Make sure to back up recovered files to cloud storage and an offline copy because prevention beats recovery. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.